Welcome, winners, to this daily setup for 26th of November 2020. We have now hit a couple of weekly take profit here. We are Thanksgiving. Now, I do believe, who was it, Heartache? Or was it Teddy who said dollar strength? I think we'll go to take some profit now because of Thanksgiving. Also because that's happened earlier years. I'm thinking 50 to 100 pip drop on every pair, and I'm thinking maybe we even might go down here to 73 before going up. Worst case, though, still bullish, still all those things. This might be the top for now. Okay, and if it continues higher, we just continue buying. But now I want to see London open tomorrow, where we are. I'm definitely reducing risk at the moment. This is the best price I can get, and we basically haven't really made a new higher high. So as you can see here, we're already starting, and I think we're also actually going to start going a bit lower. I don't know how far. I'm just thinking, oh crap. Euro dollar was also cementing this one also for today. It did go to take profit for today, so didn't really make a new high. You can say that's the buy price for tomorrow. Cool. If you're still there and you're not below it tomorrow, cool. Another thing, we didn't hit it today. That means it's strong up, indicating a larger fall tomorrow. And we might even go down to M2. That's the standard operating procedure, as far as I see. So if we go down to M2 tomorrow, we might even break this low. So have it in mind. I'm definitely reducing risk. So if you want to do that too, cool. And I would just add more when you go higher. This is something I figured out this evening right now together with Kofi. Thank you, Kofi. But other than that, it's, yeah. But if you're thinking, meh, let's just try this higher, yeah, cool. But I will see London open tomorrow, where we are, how we fallen, or what really happens before we go higher. I'm going to do the monthly outlook tomorrow, I think. So there will be maybe a different pricing, but I'm thinking we're going to fall down, and then back in December we can pick it up again. Another thing that you heard from me today is that I think that 1st or 30th or 1st of December will gap up. Might necessarily make that we will go higher, just need to be in trades before that. Okay, cool. Good. Now you heard that from me first. So I am muted so far. That was supposed to be muted, not muted. 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 Depending on where we find it tomorrow. So other than that, that's the clue. GU, also another one. I haven't checked out this one, but hey, worked out, didn't it? Another one that can come down to central pivot and go higher tomorrow. Struggling a bit at the moment, but might get a breakout tomorrow. I hope you're still in it, but if it closes below M2 for tomorrow, M2 for tomorrow, M2 for tomorrow, I think we might be heading lower. Don't close all of your trades if you want to keep some of them, but I'm saying this might be the top. Okay, so far, and we will pick it up. And you can also just, yeah, this might be the top, expecting it down, and then we continue more. New Zealand is still rising. Okay, still rising. This was the bullish one. So I don't know what the future holds for this one, but for this one, I'm thinking, okay, we can try back here at support. But it was a good trade today, though. Yeah. Are we above everything? Monthly, weekly, all those take profits? Well, that's the R2. So I will just reduce my risk. I have a lot of risk, but I would like to keep some of them because 100 pip drop is a lot at the moment. It's a fear. I might not be true. I might then take a fail. I'm sorry for that, but I just need to warn you guys. Same thing here. Profit for the week. We would love to have a higher price before selling. Australian yen. Nice buy, but still just here. We can go higher tomorrow, for that matter. But wouldn't it be better if we got a price down here, maybe? At 676. Maybe just wishful thinking, but that's what I'm thinking at the moment. I think what I'm going to say is if it breaks 76.59, I think we're going down to 76. If we're breaking this low here, I think we're going lower. Okay, so it's a large fall from there, but I'm reducing and I will pick it up more if it continues higher. For US oil, I guess we're just continuing higher. On the weekly, are totally blown through the pivots, and then today we just started off at the central, so I guess that was the entry, or it could have been entry, and then going higher tomorrow morning as well. As we can see, falling, but so far just back to the central for New Zealand yen. Euro New Zealand, as promised, I guess, as described yesterday, another sell, great entry, great sell-off call. And then nat gas, maybe. Gone higher today, continuing higher highs, higher lows. As you can see, central pivot, almost central pivot, as it just continues higher, central pivot. Okay. So for tomorrow, I think I'm going to give you the monthly forecast. Not necessarily prices, but at least what you should do, your preparation, and then this year I guess will be unique from any other year. So cool. Let's do that, and yeah, good night. Have a good morning. Have a good evening, and I see you tomorrow. Cool. Boom. Another day in lots of profits.